everyone, welcome back to the Vijita Rajkumar online classes for all the my dear aspirants. Today I would like to give you some of the 70% as well as the 30% deleted content in the course of the instance and marketing for the first year students in the paper 2. So let me see the one by one. Already you know very well about the how many five subjects will be there including the English. Like already we finished today we finished the business organization and tomorrow we are going to write the accountancy. Okay, the second paper is the accountancy and computer. So let me see the 30% and 30% deleted content and 70% syllabus in the subject of the accountancy and computers for the instance marketing people. So this is the instance marketing course for the first year students, like a part to like a paper to accountants and computers. In the C, this is the syllabus, how many units are there in the course, and how many papers. How many units are there in the second paper? 8 units will be there. If you see the overall weightage, so here you have to get the most reference for the first unit. Okay. So this is the first 10 marks weightage will be there and basic fundamentals of nursing. Basic fundamentals of computers. So 10 marks weightage will be there. First you have to go through the first unit and last unit. Okay, 10 marks weightage will be there now. So just pass marks the 18 marks. If you thorough with these two units also, you definitely you will pass. And equal preference you have to give the a journal, subsidiary books, ledger, cash book, rectification of errors and trial balance and final accounts. These are all the carries 8 marks only. So is clear na? So how many units are there in accountants and computers? For instance, marketing first year students, 8 units will be there. Introduction to accountancy, 10 marks weightage will be there. Basic fundamentals of computers, 10 marks weightage will be there. Remaining units also you have to go through the important aspects of the 2 marks questions and essay type questions. Okay. So let me see the introduction course content. This all the units will be there. This is the syllabus ma. So this is the accountancy computer. This is the syllabus of the in a paper two for the insurance marketing people. So here the introduction to accountancy. So conventions deleted topic. Okay, like a journal, nothing is deleted. You have to read second unit, third unit also read, fourth unit also read. There is no deleted content in second unit. There is no deleted content in third unit, fourth unit also that nothing is there. In fifth unit, the 3 column cash book, petty cash book is deleted. This one deleted. Okay, and sixth one is nothing is deleted. Everything we have to read. Seventh question also nothing is deleted. Okay, and eighth also nothing is deleted. Everything you have to read. Okay, so this is the first and last basic fundamentals of computers are very important units to get the good marks. You to get the a pass marks. So you have to thorough these 2 units. Okay. So next coming to the model question paper, I will show the model question paper. So this is a model question paper for the first year students in the course of the insurance marketing. So accountants and computers. So here the 50 marks question paper. Section A 2 marks questions. Section B 6 marks questions will be defined. Accountancy. What is debtor? What is journal? Define ledger. What is purchase book? What is drawings? What is cash book? What is debit note? What is a computer? What is a scanner? So 6 marks is the write the accounting concepts, explain some of them, list out any 5 input and output devices in detail, prepare the single column cash book from the following transactions. So like this. Next, explain the different types of cash book, explain the different types of accounts, explain the importance of cash book, give a form on account and explain how entries are made into it. Okay, explain the characteristics of the computer and enter the following transactions in the sale book and post them in ledger account. Okay, prepare the final accounts from the following balance. So this is the opening stock, purchases, wages, carriage, inward, factory rent, sales, and closing stock. So this is the model question paper in the course of the influencer marketing. In the paper is the computers and accountancy will be there. Okay, and next. So this is again once again we go through the. Okay, wait, I will show you anything is there. Okay, here the insert market question bank paper to accountants computers. Okay, Ocean Bank. Okay, this maybe this is a practical thing they have to write. Okay, so anyhow I given the important important questions from there. Okay, so thanks for watching my channel. Have a nice day. All the best once again.